Welcome viewers and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today just I am going to discuss about the infinitives and also the bare infinitives. So infinitive means 2 plus verb. 2 is used before the verb. So it is called the infinitive. And bare infinitive. So there are some infinitives there which is used without 2. It means some verbs are there which are not used to before the verbs. So that is called bare infinitive. कोई verb उसके साथ नहीं जुड़ा होता है. So first example, 2 plus infinitive. 2 plus infinitive because it is as usually used. 2 is used before the verb. That is called 2 plus infinitive. So first example, in which case it is just applied. So I want a book that is easy to read. So I want a book which is easy to read. Easy means here easy refers to an adjective. It is easy. It is identified as an adjective of the sentence. Easy to what? Just easy to read. So यहाँ पर जो verb आ रहा है, so verb is read. So before that to is here, to read. So it is adjective. Easy to what? Easy to read. To read, to play, to go, to eat. So that is adjective comes, then after that 2 plus infinitive. Easy to do that work. Easy to drink the water. Easy to do the math. So likewise it is used after the adjective. So another, the accident was dreadful to see. Which was dreadful to see? देखिए, the accident was dreadful. Dreadful here adjective. Dreadful जो होता है sentence का वो है adjective. So it is here an adjective. So after the adjective, to see means 2 plus infinitive, 2 plus verb, to see, 2 plus verb. So here adjective is used here, dreadful, because dreadful denotes to adjective or describes the adjective. So it is after the adjective, dreadful what? Dreadful to see. The accident was dreadful to see. So after the adjective, 2 plus infinitives are used. So another, it works as a noun. Sentence का वो noun का काम करता है. So how it is just work as a noun of the whole sentence? So for example, first, it is the subject of the main verb. Subject of the main verb. वो जो होता है ना subject होता है of the main verb. Main verb का subject. So here is given, to drive a car needs a license. To drive a car needs a license. देखिए यहाँ पर then which one is also main verb? Here needs is the main verb. So before that, to drive a car, it is a subject. To drive a car is a subject and needs is your main verb. So it is just work as a subject of the main verb. वो जो main verb है needs, if we question what we need, means to drive a car. What do we need to drive a car? So to drive a car is a subject here. So needs comes, it is the main verb. So that's why it is works here as the that is called the subject of the main verb. हाँ, यहाँ पर to drive a car है subject और need से verb. हाँ, वो जो verb का काम वो fulfill करता है. What we need to drive a car. So it is just like the subject of the main verb. Subject होता है to drive a car, needs से main verb और needs जो main verb का subject कौन है? To drive a car. So the total sentence just it is works a noun. So to drive a car just it is indicated as the noun. Noun तरीके से काम करते हैं. Second one, object of the main verb. देखिए जो main verb होता है वो object का काम करता है. Object of the main verb. अब देखिए object कौन है? I want. देखिए I subject want that is main verb and to learn photography. To learn photography object. To learn photography object. So object of the main verb. अब main verb कौन है? I want. Want is the main verb. then object to learn the photography. To learn the photography. So it is the object of the main verb. जो main verb है want, इसका object कौन है? To learn the photography. So another, आज ये subject complement, subject को complete करता है. आज ये subject complement. So it is his aim is to be a pilot. His aim is what? To be a pilot. So इसका जो subject काम पूरा करता है. His aim is, it is subject. His aim is to what? Just to be a pilot बनना. So वो subject का काम पूरा करता है. So there are also other verbs are there which do not need at all the bare infinitive. Suppose I shall go, I can go, I must go there. So here no need of also to plus infinitive. Suppose I must go there, not I must to go there. I can do this, not I can just to do this. So this is the modals and auxiliary. Suppose he is playing, not he is to playing. Just they are going, not they are to going. So there are some certain modals and auxiliary verbs are there. In which case, so that is no need of the to is used. verb के जो पीछे से यूज होता है to, so there is no need, just the to is used before the verb. So these are the cases. Suppose made is also, I made him go, not to go. Let us go to Puri. Let us go Puri, not let us to go Puri. Let us go picnic, not to go. Only let us go. So help, I helped him going there. I helped him go there. I helped him find that place, not to find. So there are these special verbs. I observed him go down. I observed him not to go out. So there are some certain verbs are there. So that is, I heard the policeman cry. I just heard him cry, not to cry. So these are the special verb. Suppose I noticed her enter the room, not I noticed her to enter the room. Only I noticed her enter the room. These are the special verbs. In which case there is no need of the infinitive, to plus infinitive required. So it is called the bare infinitives. So today up to that, thank you all.